Okay, here is a great question we received. How do you determine if a well-reviewed accommodation or restaurant is still open? This person found it to be a problem post-pandemic. Yes, this is definitely an issue, and not just when a business closes permanently, but we've had a lot of situations where places don't have correct hours listed online or they suddenly take a day off. And so some of the things that I do is actually check on Google Maps, which will sometimes tell you how long ago their information, like their open hours, was updated. So if it was updated in the past couple of months, then I'm like, okay, they're probably not closed. I will also check the date of the last customer reviews to make sure there are some recent reviews. I might look them up on Facebook because a lot of these places, if they don't have a website, they probably have a Facebook page. And if they have not updated that in over a year, I would be very skeptical. I wouldn't count on them being open. Of course, if there's a phone number you can call, but when it's a different country with a different language, send a message using Google Translate. Like, you can message their Facebook page directly and see if someone responds. Other than that, I just kind of check online to see if they've been active anywhere on social media or on their website, and if not, I won't spend more than a few minutes trying to figure out if they're open, and I definitely won't go out of my way to visit in person if I'm still not sure. I'll just find another place to eat. So I hope that helps. Send us your questions if you are a member.